Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on the REALME C71. Okay, so let's begin. But before we begin, let's open up our settings and let's scroll down until we find the Google options and make sure that in here you are logged into the same Google account on which you made the backup earlier. It is really crucial because if you are logged into other Google account, there's a chance that you won't have a possibility to restore your chats, so remember about it. And now we can open up our WhatsApp. I just downloaded it. To show you, click on agree and continue, click on allow, select your phone number, then click on next. Okay, once you have verified, click on continue, and now we have this contacts and media in here. We want to click on continue, click on allow, allow, and allow all. Okay, and now we have a possibility to restore our chats. Below we can see how long ago the last backup was made. Then we can see its size and the account on which we made that backup. And as you take a look, it's the same Google account and that I'm logged in my settings currently. So remember about it. And also, if you don't restore your backup right now, there is a chance that you won't have a possibility to do that later. So you should do it right now. Also, if you don't know how to create such a backup, on our channel there is a bunch of videos how to do it. So if you want, you can look for it. Okay, now click on restore. Now the process will start. Okay, in my case it's not gonna take long because I don't have that many messages. Okay, 12 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. Now click on next. In here under the profile info, simply type your name, and you can also change your profile photo by clicking on that icon. Then click on next. And now I should take a look. All the messages, including the videos and the photos, has been successfully restored. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.